Hello, you are welcome to my YouTube channel, and this particular video I'll be sharing with you my secret on how I've been able to get some certain airdrop, in fact without participating in this particular airdrop, and I was able to make a lot of money. Yes, I'll be showing you two ways which I've been maximizing doing this particular thing, and the second one is the great. So if you're able to watch the particular video to the end, you'll be able to see how I've been able to do this. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe, click on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime we upload any other new video. So this particular strategy of gaining airdrop is I'll be using the Binance app. So if you don't have a Binance app, I'll be dropping my referral link in the description and referral code in the description of this particular video. Please kindly use it so that you could download your Binance app and you'll be able to start. And remember to always activate your Google Authenticator and also do your KYC. So if you have downloaded it or you have a Binance app, so the first thing you need when you log in, you see an interface like this, just like mine that you are seeing. So what you need to do in the first strategy is that you have to come to this particular place that says more. So a lot of people do not know about this, what I'm about to share with you, because it's like a secret. Yes, a lot of people are not actually talking about it. So the first one is to come to this section, which is say mega. So when you come to this aspect of mega drops, you could see a lot of it has actually ended. You could see this one has ended, this one has ended. So you just need to watch out and always come to this particular place. So what you just need to do is that the native token of this particular app, because this is a Binance app, their native token is BNB, which we all know. So you have to stake your BNB for you to be able to participate in this particular mega drop that you are seeing. You could see here, we say support network, which is the BNB participant. We have about 1 million plus who participated. I tell you, this is what a lot of people have been doing, but not everybody that actually need. Quest reward, we have around 40 million net token. So you could see this soft protocol, you know that they did well, yes. And you could see this one also likewise 1 million plus people actually participated. You could see this lister. This is what a lot of people have been doing, and they have been, in fact, rather than you that participate in this particular maybe a Telegram airdrop and you get those, these people that stake, they get way more higher than those people that actually use their time in farm this particular airdrop. So the second one aspect you could do is what, let me show you now. The second one you could do aside from this mega drop is to use the one of launch pool. If you have watched my video on how you could participate on this too on Bybit, I share it. I told you what launch pool is all about and what launch pad is all about. So you could see this one when you come. If you are watching this particular video, you can also participate in this particular one. It says ongoing, and you can see this one, they say it is distributed already. Yes, if you go down, you see a lot. You could see all these one, they are ended, distributed. So this particular one, what you can still stake is your BNB, and the minimum you could see for you to per FD USD, and you could see per USD. So these are the tokens that you can use to get this particular token. You can use BNB, you can use FD USD, and you can use USDC. Yes, this particular one is not only on BNB alone. You could use to start, and you could see what you'll be able to get is what is showing in this particular place. If you use it, you could see they say join the Binance Airdrop lock BNB. This one is not even for you to stake, it's just for you to lock for a period of time BNB USDC to participate. So you could see the time that is ending is around 21 hours and 31 minutes. So I think it's all gone, because most people must have actually taken the opportunity. So what you just need is that when you tap on this part space, so you could see it shows you the particular token you'll be staking. So immediately you choose this particular one, then you actually stake it, then you'll be able to participate in this particular launch pool, which is the second method. I'll also be sharing with you a lot of methods which you'll be able to earn a lot of token majorly on Mex. which is the next video that I'll be creating. If you have any question based on what I've actually shared with you on how to participate on airdrop on Binance without actually farming this particular airdrop, please, if you have any comment, drop it in the comment of this particular video, and don't forget to like, share on the subscriber button, and click on the bell notification so you get enter upload another new video. Thank you. Bye bye.